So one of the ways we're going to do the work that we need to do in space is also through robots, right? That's another exciting area of what's happening and could lead to some further development that could impact, here on Earth as well. We've seen this with the Mars rover and with other things for a number of years, that robots have helped fill the gap and done work that saves humans from doing it. So work that in some cases would be more dangerous, or even some cases still not possible. So how are robots going to impact this next stage, the new space race, and how will they have an impact on, what both NASA and some of the private space companies are working on?
Well, robots are going to be really important because as humans want to spend extended periods of time in space, whether that's on the moon or on an orbital outpost or on Mars or even farther, maybe, we won't be able to do everything ourselves. We'll have, probably limited periods of time that actual humans will be there. And so they'll want to use that time in the most optimal way possible. So robots are obviously ideal for doing kind of groundwork, if you will, the preparations to set up infrastructure in space, on the moon and on Mars, and just help people exist and get and do all the heavy lifting, so to speak. So NASA is working with this company, Aptronic, to make a humanoid robot, which is really interesting because, you mentioned the Mars rover, and most of the robots we've seen so far have specific jobs. They have specific shapes that, help them accomplish those jobs. But NASA and Aptronic are building this humanoid robot that's also general purpose. It's going to be able to take on whatever job it's programmed to do. And, when you think about a humanoid robot, a robot in the form of a human, you think, well, that feels really sci-fi. Why does it need to be shaped like a human? It's not there to be your friend or anything, but Aptronic told us about how, they'll be doing a lot of jobs that humans would otherwise be doing. So it just makes sense to give them the form of humans, since they will be taking over a lot of the work and jobs that humans otherwise would have been doing.